Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2020 230 Solstice by Harris. We'll start off at the stern of this boat. You can see this boat has an extended swim platform. The boat is powered by a Mercury 4-stroke 150 horsepower engine. Nice big swim platform in the back of this boat. This is the SL package on this. As you can see, the backrest goes from a U shape back here to a nice big sun pad on the back on this boat. Nice U-shaped seating back here. 2 speakers. As you can see in the bulwarks, we have additional cup holders right here. We have a 12-volt USB, new for 2020. They're putting the speakers up in the bulwarks as well instead of underneath. We have a nice high back swivel lounge chair. At the helm, we have a nice glove box underneath, accompanied with a 7-inch Simrad. Ski locker on this boat. And nice seating up front. Plenty of cup holders on the bulwarks of this boat as well. USBs, additional speakers. If this is a boat you'd like to see more of, my name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.